Hey design fans, I'm glad you're here. Today we're talking about usability testing and how to do it right. It's not just a routine. Usability testing is not just about going through the motions, it's about extracting meaningful insights that can shape exceptional user experiences. So grab your notepads as we explore some essential tips for mastering the art of usability testing. When you start usability testing, it's super important to use scenarios that feel real. The situations you create should be like everyday situations users might face. Realistic scenarios help participants understand the context and they react more genuinely, giving you really helpful insights into how users would normally use your product. When you're doing usability tests, it's super important to give really clear instructions. If things are vague, participants might get confused, and that can mess up the results. Making sure your instructions are clear helps participants move through the testing without any hiccups, giving you feedback that's accurate and useful. Think of it like giving someone directions. If your instructions are clear, they won't get lost. In usability testing, if you're specific, participants won't misunderstand things and you'll get the right feedback. It's all about making sure everyone's on the same page. Now let's explore something called the observer effect. When someone's watching, it can change how people act. To handle this, think about using methods like testing without someone guiding, unmoderated, or testing from a distance, remote. If you need to be there in person, make sure the environment is comfy and you're not too noticeable. The idea is to see how users naturally behave without any extra influence. When participants see a smile or a sign of agreement or disagreement, it can affect how they behave. So, whether you're doing testing from a distance or in person, it's important to minimize these cues. The goal is to let users be themselves without feeling like their actions are being influenced. Usability testing is not a one-dimensional process. To gain a comprehensive understanding, it's essential to capture both quantitative and qualitative data. Metrics like task success rates and completion times offer quantitative insights, while qualitative data, such as user comments and feedback, provide the why behind user actions. A balanced approach ensures a rich data set for analysis. As we conclude this exploration of effective usability testing, remember that the success of your tests lies in meticulous planning and execution. Today, we discussed creating realistic scenarios, providing clear instructions, minimizing the observer effect, and the importance of capturing diverse data. If you have any questions or want us to cover specific topics, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, happy designing and testing.